What's the meaning of baking? Baking. Baking.
Baking. Baking. Baking is the process of cooking food using dry heat, usually in an oven. This method is commonly used to transform raw ingredients into bread, cakes, pastries, and other baked goods. Baking typically involves mixing flour, sugar, eggs, and other ingredients in a bowl, followed by placing the mixture in a preheated oven. The result is a delicious and aromatic treat that can be enjoyed by people of all ages. Baking has been a popular culinary technique for centuries, and has evolved with the introduction of new ingredients, equipment, and recipes. It is both a science and an art form, requiring precise measurements and creativity.